When we exploring into the earnings of faceless YouTube channels, it is truly amazing to discover that these channels are making $40.1 thousand, $17.9 thousand, $9.8 thousand, $4.3 thousand, and $2.4 thousand per month without any sponsorships, just they get paid through ad revenues. In today's digital era, faceless YouTube channels are making more money while they sleep than a working individual makes in an entire year. So the question, is it difficult or easy to start a faceless YouTube channel? If you have discovered a really good idea for your channel, starting a faceless YouTube channel is actually quite easy. In this video, I have uncovered the top 5 trending faceless YouTube channel ideas based on their niches and CPM rates. The CPM rates range from the lowest at $5 to the highest at $50. I will only share ideas that require less effort, but can still help you grow rapidly. To grow a successful faceless YouTube channel, hard work is not necessary. Instead, it is about working smart. Are you ready to make money from a YouTube channel while you sleep? Let's unlock the secrets of these top 5 trending faceless niches. YouTube Idea 1. Quotes video niches. This cool channel is all about quotes. This channel got 1.24 million subscribers and post 121 videos, and if we look at this channel, we will find that videos got over 1 million views and still getting views. Imagine every video that this channel post goes viral. Simple animation and quotes become so viral, and amazing of this is the most of this kind of video is made through free AI. Which means you can make this kind of videos by using ChatGPT to generate quotes for free, then you have used free AI voiceovers or text-to-speech to record realistic human voices for your, then come to Canva for animate the quote video and you can use Canva for free. Imagine everything of this process is free and you not charge any money, from quotes generating to voiceovering to video editing is free, plus this is not required any video editing skill like other niches, which requires editing skill to make high-quality visuals and graphics to make high-quality video. Imagine you can make this type of videos without any editing. Do you know that those type of videos get viral without editing? Yes. They get viral without editing any video of those because of doesn't require any editing. Watch this video.
If you don't control your mind, someone else will.
Look at what this channel earned from this niche. This channel has earned $15 to $25 in last 30 days, and it got 1.27 million views in last 30 days. If we calculate this number 1.27 million views and divide it into 30, then we will got $42,400 per month, and to start this type of channel very easy. Simple, go to ChatGPT for generating quotes, then go to free text-to-speech for voiceover using AI, then go to Canva for animate the video, it's free, make simple thumbnail. And boom, your video is ready to upload on YouTube, upload it. If you into quotes videos niches, so what are you wait? Get started and see how your channel is growing bigger and faster. YouTube Idea 2. AI info video niches. Super intelligent robots is incredible way to grow on YouTube. Imagine this channel getting 99.7 thousand subscribers in less than a year. That's so amazing, right? It's videos about tech and AI. And to make those type of video is so easy, you can search information on Google, find it, then go to ChatGPT to generate amazing script, and get free visuals from those free sites pixabay.com, Pixels, or vidvio.net. And do you know what amazing of this niche? Is high potential search volume rate and low competition. This niche CPM is high, plus it's on demand, so if you post this type of video you can go viral easily. So that's what this channel got over 600,000 views on socialblade.com. If we look to what does this channel earns, we found that earns $2.4 thousand, but that's not true. In this niche the CPM is $5 to $7 per 1,000 views. Let's we calculate if we divide 611,946 into 1,000, we got 611. Let's we multiply by 7. Its real income is $4,284 per month. Depending on where these views come from, they get money. Europe and USA is like a jackpot for more cash. So talking about intelligent robots can help you grow fast and make some money. So if you into AI and tech information, start it right now. YouTube Idea 3. Business success stories video niches. Imagine how this niche is viral. Everyone search on business success stories to make their business success. Everyone interesting, right? This awesome channel is an example. This channel is all about business success stories and getting 1.3 million subscribers. And every video that this channel is getting millions of views. That's incredible, right? Let's look at Social Blade. What's this channel earns? We found that it earns $17,000, which is not true. Check this out. In last 30 days it got 4.39 million views. So it got $45 per 1,000 views. If we calculate this number 4.39 million and divide it into 30, the result will be 14,647. If we multiply it by 45, the real income that this channel earns last 30 days is $659,115. That's so huge amount if you want to make like this. But to be honest, it may little tough at first. But when you grow and keep growing, go to ChatGPT to find stores, then get amazing visuals from Pixabay or Pixels. If you are into business and finance, it may take time, but you can earn good amount of money. Start it right now and see how your YouTube channel grow bigger. YouTube Idea 4. Top 5 things video niches. Imagine an amazing channel with 2.83 million subscribers making videos on the top 5 things in anything you can imagine. It's like a goldmine of fascinating content that people absolutely love. Now, let's discuss the financial aspect. In last 30 days, it hit 10.14 million views, and since its focus on entertainment, its CPM ranges from $8 to $10. By doing the calculations, this channel earn around $40,000 to $55,000. If you want to make videos like this, it's as easy as chatting with ChatGPT for the latest trending topics. No script is needed, just use stock visuals and your videos can gain a large number of views. It's that simple. Start it right now. YouTube Idea 5. YouTube growth videos niche, last couple of months. This niche has been viral, and everyone search it on YouTube. Imagine how this niche is trend. Take a look at this small channel as an example. It was start only 6 months ago and focuses on strategies for growing on YouTube. This niche has crazy potential and a lot of people who want to jump the YouTube growth train. What is amazing of this niche is always in demand and continues to grow more every day. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. The channel's content revolves around YouTube growth, and for every 1,000 views, it earned between $7 to $10. In the last 30 days, it received 2.3 million views. Which means that this channel could potentially make $77,833 in a month. So, how can you start this type of channel? It's actually simple. Get information from articles and make videos on trending topics. While the competition may be tough, it's still possible to attract views easily. So, if you're into YouTube growth, start now and ride the wave. If you choose one of those niche that we explained above, and follow the above tips in right way, you will success on YouTube faster, and go viral is guaranteed. That's all. Subscribe the channel for more new tips.